Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical drawing tablet, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Drawing Tablet, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drawing tablet from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Xpen 15.6-inch Drawing Tablet with Screen. Xpen Artist 15.6 Pro Tilt Support Graphics Tablet. Looking for the best drawing tablet with a screen? Check out the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro, a feature-packed 15.6-inch graphics tablet that delivers brilliant visuals and top-notch performance. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a battery-free stylus, it ensures precise lines and natural strokes. The full HD display with 88% NTSC color accuracy and full laminated technology offers vivid, true-to-life visuals with minimal parallax. Customize your workflow using the 8 express keys and the intuitive red dial. Slim, sleek, and smartly designed, it's perfect for digital artists, designers, and professionals. With USB, HDMI, and DVI connectivity, it supports Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS and works seamlessly with software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Clip Studio. Whether you're drawing, editing, teaching, or working remotely, the Artist 15.6 Pro is built for it all. Everything you need is included in the box, stand, stylus, glove, and more. Experience professional-level creativity with Xpen. Number 2. HUION KAMVAS Pro 19 4K UHD Drawing Tablet with Touchscreen 96% Adobe RGB Drawing Monitor. Experience professional creativity like never before with the HUION KAMVAS Pro 19 4K UHD Drawing Tablet. This stunning 18.4-inch pen display features a crystal-clear 3840 x 2160 resolution, full lamination, and anti-glare etched glass for a natural paper-like feel. With 96% Adobe RGB, 99% sRGB, and 98% DCI-P3 color coverage, it delivers ultra-accurate color reproduction perfect for digital artists, designers, and content creators. The PW600 stylus offers 1,684 levels of pressure, tilt support, and pinpoint precision, making every stroke smooth and lifelike. Enjoy effortless control with multi-touch support on Windows, a Bluetooth programmable keypad, and an intuitive dial function. Its lightweight aluminum build, foldable stand, and USB-C connectivity make it portable and easy to use anywhere. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android, the KAMVAS Pro 19 supports major software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Blender, and more. Whether you're sketching, animating, or editing, this tablet is built to elevate your creative workflow. Number 3. Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet with Screen 15.4-inch. Full HD display graphic arts tablet includes Pro Pen 2. Unleash your creativity with the Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet, a powerful and intuitive pen display designed for artists, students, and creative professionals. Featuring a 15.4-inch Full HD anti-glare screen, it delivers crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and reduced parallax for a natural drawing experience. The included Wacom Pro Pen 2 offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt support, and virtually lag-free tracking, allowing for precise and expressive strokes. Whether you're sketching, illustrating, or animating, the Cintiq 16 makes the creative process feel as smooth as drawing on paper. With its HDMI connectivity, it's easy to plug in and start working on Windows or Mac. Designed with comfort and productivity in mind, the Cintiq 16 includes a 3-in-1 cable, pen holder, replacement nibs, and more. Trusted by top creators for over 40 years, Wacom continues to lead the industry in digital art tools. Take your ideas to the next level with the reliability and performance of Wacom Cintiq 16. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 64GB Wi-Fi Android Tablet. S Pen included, gaming-ready long battery life. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, the perfect blend of fun and functionality in a sleek, lightweight design. With a 10.4-inch crystal clear display, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and a powerful processor, it's built for epic streaming, smooth gaming, and everyday multitasking. Whether you're taking notes in a meeting or sketching your next masterpiece, the included Xpen makes it all effortless and intuitive. With 64 GB of storage and long-lasting battery life, you can keep your work and entertainment going all day. The Tab S6 Lite is also Samsung DeX compatible, turning your tablet into a mini workstation for PC-like productivity. Choose from stylish colors, including the fresh new mint, and take your creativity and efficiency wherever you go. Whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or working remotely, this Android tablet is ready for anything without breaking the bank. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is your go-to device for all things fun, with just the right amount of work mixed in. Number 5. Frunsi RubensTab T11 Pro standalone drawing tablet, 10.1-inch, FHD display. Discover ultimate creative freedom with the Frunsi RubensTab T11 Pro, a standalone drawing tablet that requires no computer to get started. Featuring a vivid 10.1-inch Full HD IPS display, 1920 into 1200, this Android 12-powered tablet delivers sharp visuals and rich color, perfect for sketching, designing, or note-taking on the go. Its 1024-level pressure-sensitive pen mimics real brush strokes for natural fluid lines. No battery needed. With a built-in 5800 mAh battery, enjoy up to 5 hours of continuous creativity and recharge quickly via USB-C or a power bank. Pre-installed professional drawing apps make it ideal for beginners and pros alike, while multi-touch support boosts your workflow with intuitive zoom and pan gestures. Whether you're in the classroom, at a meeting, or traveling, the adjustable stand case, Wi-Fi access, and compact design make it a perfect all-in-one solution. Certified safe and reliable, the RubensTab T11 Pro is built to inspire artists, students, and professionals anytime, anywhere. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.